today's value is greater than future value. Investment opportunity capital can be employed productively to generate positive return. In other words, an investment of 1 rupee received today would grow to a higher value in year after certain period. Future value. If you invest 1000 rupees, after 5 years, what will be the value? That is called future value. Hello everyone, I am your Adarsh, lecturing Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. So we are in the session 4 of your topic called Financial Management. Today we'll do a small concept called time value of money. So this will be your time value of money, but your chapter will be 1. So in your chapter 1, we have 2 concepts like introduction to your financial management as well as time value of money. As I told you, this is your chapter 1 itself. We have not changed the chapter. Under chapter 1, you have topic called time value of money. Now, so what do you mean by time value of money? So your agenda will be very simple. We will understand the introduction part, principles as well as concept of time value of money. The person who works with time as well as money, how it affects. Now, before we go to your time value of money, actual meaning, we'll go with the introduction. Later I'll go for examples. Now, time value of money means that value of a unit, money is different in different time. So it will be different, like your dollar value, foreign currency, dollar. Today it will be 70, tomorrow it will be 72, yesterday it will be 69. It varies. A rupee today is more valuable than rupee a year. Today's 1 rupee is more valuable than in next 1 year. How it is, I'll explain you. Next, hence, in other words, the value of sum of money received today is more than it received after some time. Whatever, both the ways we are talking about. One is, whatever 1 rupee is today, it will be more value than tomorrow, point 1. Second one, rather than collecting tomorrow 1 rupee, we'll collect today itself, because compared to tomorrow, today the value is more for that 1 rupee. Now, in the future, the time value of money can be referred to as time preference. This is very important. It is a very important. Time value of money also we call it as time preference for money. The way we give preference to money. Clear? This will be your introduction part. I know you did not understand what is time value of money. Unless I'll give you example, you will not understand. Now, this is only introduction part. You need to remember the introduction. Now, once you're done with your introduction, we'll go for your concept. What is exactly your time value of money means? We'll go with an example so that you will understand better. Now, under time value of money, you have a concept called like today's 1 rupee is more value than tomorrow's 1 rupee. Similarly, whatever you are collecting 1 rupee tomorrow will be less value than today's one. Now, both the contrast or both the concept we will understand today with example. Now, for example, now, what is the price of fuel? 1 liter fuel. Just assume that in 2020. So, in year 2020, just assumption. So, now we have fuel price is 80 rupees. What is the price in 2020 fuel? It is 80 rupees. Now, if you pay 100 rupees, how much you will get? You will get around 1.2 liters. If you pay 100 rupees, it will be 1.25 liters fuel you will get. Similarly, the same thing, you go back in 2010. So this is all about 2020. You go back to 2010, same fuel prices, 50 rupees. Now, it is 50 rupees per liter. Now, in 2010, the same 100 rupees if you pay, whatever you are paying 100 rupees today, the same 100 rupees you paid in 2010, then what will happen? You will get around 2 liters of petrol. In 2010, the value of 100 is what? It is 2 liters. In 2020, the value of 100 is what? It is only 1.25 liters. Now tell me, 100 rupees worth in 2010 was more and now it is more. Exactly. In 2010, the worth of 100 rupees was more. But in 2020, the worth of 100 rupees is less. That's why it says that today's value is greater than future value. That is a one concept. You understood or not? Hope you understood. This is the first case how to find out time value of money. Means the value passes, your money value also changes, fluctuates. There is a one concept. This concept is today's, I'll write it in other color. So the concept is very simple. Today's 1 rupee is more valued than tomorrow's 1 rupee. So today's worth is more value than greater than tomorrow. This is an example number 1. Hope you understood. Now we'll go ulta. Now we'll go reverse. How? Now how to go reverse means in this. So reverse case, it will be like today you have 100 rupees. How much you have? 100 rupees. The same 100 rupees you have deposited in bank. In 2010, the 100 rupees you have deposited in bank. In 2020, the 100 will become 190 because every year interest is added. Every year interest is added. That is called your today's 100 will become 190 in the next 10 years. Means the future value is greater than today's value. Reverse. In this, today's value is greater than future, but this future value is greater than today's. Clear? These two cases we call it as time value of money. In certain cases, today value is greater. In certain cases, future value is greater. It is depends on situation. It is depends on how do we consider. Clear? Yes, this is called time value of money. And the third case is very important, like first case you understood, second case also you understood. The third thing is very simple. It is nothing but opportunity cost. What is opportunity means? It is very simple, like 10,000. So you scored 100 or centum in some subject in your second year BCom or B.B.A. So your parents promise that if you score centum or 100, I'll give you 10,000 rupees. Now, so you scored 10,000. Happily, what your parents said, you want 10,000 today, or else I'll give you after 1 month. It is left to you because you are busy in some other work, maybe some projects or something you are doing. You cannot go for shopping also. Your father gave you an option called, will you take 10,000 today or will you take after 1 month? What will be your answer? Normally few they will say that, so I will be busy for next 1 month. So if I take also I spend for something else, so that you keep it with you only, I'll take after 1 month. But another kind of students, what they will do, they will think that if I don't take 10,000 today, your father mind will change after 1 month. Remember, this is very important. Today, happily, your dad said, you got Centum, take 10,000. Even though you use after 1 year or so, you take it today. Why? Because it is uncertainty. What is uncertainty means? After 1 month, your dad mind will be changed. Chances are there. Or else, after 1 month, your dad may be out of station. Chance number three, after 1 month, your dad will not have the 10,000 with him. He may invest it in somewhere else. These are the cases. Better always go for, if you are receiving today, receive it. Never postpone the income. Clear? Yes. So this is called your third case. All put together, we call it as time value of money. We give preference to time. That time passes, your money value also changes. In the certain cases, it will be benefited. In some cases, it will be problem for you. Clear? Yes, good. Next, principles of your time value of money. I don't take much time. It is only 5 mark problem in your examination. Not about problem I am talking. Problem, it is 15 marks. So from this chapter, you will get one problem for 15 marks and one theory for 5 marks. Theory don't take much time. I'll brush it up, but problems will take much time. Very interesting as well as easy also. In today's session, we will not do any problems. I'll explain you the concept. From the next session, we will go with problems. Now, personal consumption, preference, individual in general. Prefer current consumption to future consumption. Current consumption, as I told you, in 2010, for 100 rupees, you will get 2 liters of petrol. But in 2020, you will get 1.25 liters of fuel. Current consumption compared to your future consumption. Hope you understood that. In other words, many individuals have a strong preference for immediate rather than delayed consumption. What is immediate? Just I gave you an example. Your father offered you 10,000. Collect it immediately. Later, never delay, because immediate rather than delayed consumption. After 1 month, the chances are less of getting that 10,000. Then, inflation under inflationary condition, the value of money received today has more purchasing power than money to be received in future. Like today you are collecting only 100 rupees. Instead of 100, you tell your dad that, sir, dad, keep the 10,000 in the bank. I'll collect after 3 years. What will happen? 10,000 will become 15,000. The power of money today will be more after 3 years. Clear? Yes. Third one, risk of rupees 1 now certain, whereas 1 received tomorrow is less certain. If your dad giving today means it is 100% sure. If your dad will give tomorrow means they must be 80% sure. If after 1 month, 60% sure. After 3 months, 50. After 1 year, 40% sure. After 2 years, 10% sure. After 5 years means 0%. Means the time lapses, the receive or collection will be differs. The chances will be less. Now, investment opportunity capital can be employed productively to generate positive return. In other words, an investment of 1 rupee received today would grow to a higher value in year after certain period. Normally, instead of collecting today, you invest in something, some investment like stock exchange or mutual fund or bank. So the same value will be doubled or will be more after certain years. These are the principles of time value of money. The next thing is very simple. That will be your time value of money. In this is all about your problem oriented. What kind of problems you can expect in your examination. Now, everything it is 5 marks problem only, but they will give you in the question part A, part B, part C. Like subsection, they will give you 5, 5, 5, 5. Out of 3, they may give you any 3. Out of 4, they may give you any 3. 5 mark each. 5, 5, 5, 5. It will come around 15 marks for 3. Now, these kind of problems you will get. One will be problems on present value. There are simple formulas are there. You have to apply those formulas and you have to solve the problem. From the next session, we will go with problems. Then, future value. If you invest 1000 rupees, after 5 years, what will be the value? That is called future value. Compounded value. Compounded value means what? Like 10,000 you have invested. Every month you are investing 10,000. After 12 months, you will get around 12,000 along with normal interest as well as compounded interest. That we'll understand while doing the problem. Next, loan amortization schedule. What do you mean by loan amortization schedule? Under loan amortization schedule, we will understand like if you are taken 10 lakh loan, you have to repay with interest. How much will be your principal? How much will be your interest? Each and everything will be discussed in the concept called loan amortization period or schedule. So these all about what we discussed. There is a problems oriented. You will get problems on these 4. Now, I'll go back to your previous slides. If you want, you can take screenshot so that we'll end up this session. Now, these things will be agenda and this will be introduction part and this will be your time value of money. Just I explained. You will not understand by taking the screenshot of this. You have to listen. Next one will be principles of your time value of money. And the last part will be you will get problems on present value, future value, compounded value as well as loan amortization schedule. So first 3, what will be your return after certain years, and the last one, how you will repay your loans. So this is all about your today's session. It was a short and as well as sweet session. So that these are the basic funda or foundation to do the problems on time value of money. Thank you.